what's up? This is your girl Barbie, and you're watching Caribbean TV. Keep it locked. It's Barbie, baby.
Hi, my name is Lisa St. Cloud. My business name is Hands of Cloud Massage. I am a licensed massage therapist. I have been a therapist licensed since 2008. I am here at the Vegan African Fest showing my business and sharing my business with the community of Bronxville. I sell shea butters, body butters, incense oils. I also infuse the shea butters with herbs, natural herbs, which is I grind them in a grinder, which is lemon herbs, lavender herbs, peppermint herbs, and I actually infuse sage in my shea butters as well. I have body butters, incense oils. My website is www.handsofclouds.com. My phone number is 312-599-6029. You truly be blessed. Look for Hands of Clouds Massage. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Austin, and I'm the fundraising and membership coordinator for the Haitian American Museum of Chicago. We're here in Washington Park at the Caribbean Festival of Life, just spreading awareness about the Haitian culture and our museum. If you'd like to find out more about our events and programs, please visit our website at www.hammock, which is HAMOC.org. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.
Today is a very special day because we are honoring our ancestors. We are honoring those who have labored. And as you may have known, this city was started by a man from the Caribbean, the country of Haiti. His name was Jean-Baptiste Point de Sable. And today we are also honoring the second anniversary of renaming Lakeshore Drive as Jean-Baptiste Point de Sable Lakeshore Drive. We have some very special people with us here today. And our good friend, the Honorable President Toni Preckwinkle has been she has been here just about every single year that you can recall this festival been going on. But she's the most outstanding president of any county throughout the country. And tonight, as a matter of fact, I just want you to know that when we talk about Jean-Baptiste Point de Sable Drive, Lakeshore Drive, I must remind you that she started this in 1993.
Now, we have as our guest today, we have several guests, but it's my honor to introduce a young man who actually worked as an intern in my campaign in 2010, long ago and far away. Senator Robert Peters, who has served you on the South Side for the last 4 years, and please welcome him warmly.
Hey everybody. Oh, move it back. Let me just say, look how beautiful this crowd is. When all these people talk about Chicago, they're talking about each and every one of us here. And they should keep Chicago out of their mouth. The governor of Florida, he should come out here and see what beautiful people live in Chicago. And so as the state senator, as chair of the Senate Black Caucus, I believe that it is my job not just to lift up the South Side and the West Side, but the city of Chicago, so that people, whether they're downstate, in Chicago, or out of the state, that they know they can't F with us, because we're beautiful, powerful people, and we make history each and every day, and we get down on July 4th, we get down on Independence Day, but I want you to know nobody's here to hear me talk about this. There's someone here, the real headliner, you know, the big show, the star, my friend, the mayor of Chicago, from the West Side, down on the South Side, Brandon Johnson.
Hey, what's going on, Chicago? Look at you all. This is the best part of the city. I'm talking about black folks from all over the diaspora. This is what Chicago looks like. We are the soul of Chicago. Where my vegans at, though? It's like 20 of y'all here. Thank you to the vegans. Y'all gotta put some respect. What about the plant-based? 65%, yo mayor, 65% plant-based. Listen, I just wanted to come out and celebrate with you all. This is really, when we talk about life and African and Caribbean, this is the life that we pump into the entire world. Our arts, our culture, our designers, our critical thinkers. The reason why Chicago and our best days are in front of us is because of families like you all. And as Senator Peters has said, and of course the greatest public school teacher in the world, Tony Preckwinkle, has indicated that Chicago is the place where history is made. And so I want to just thank you all for your commitment and love for the city. And let's make sure we do something together, you all, as a people. Let's make sure we demonstrate the best part of our existence, and that's our love for one another. And not just loving people in general, but especially our young people. That every single child in this city deserves real opportunity, an opportunity to discover who they are, to find their purpose, and know that we are bringing everyone together because that's what it's going to take. So God bless you all. Let's keep jamming. Let the music play, you all. Let's dance. Vegans, make sure y'all drink plenty of water. I don't want y'all to pass out on me today. God bless you all. Love you all.
How you like the festival, Caribbean music?
Oh, this is the best, man. It's the best expression of the diaspora, our music, our culture, our food, our creativity. I mean, this is really the soul of Chicago.
Absolutely, absolutely. I like that, man. I only had one question for you based on this, guys, so
Yeah.
that was it. I just wanted to know how you
this
feel
is
about
the best.
everything.
This is the best place to be today.
Okay.
Celebrating again the excellence of our existence, the struggle, the fight for liberation, the full expression of who we are as a people.
It's been a pleasure.
Oh, mine. Thank you, man.
You don't like to be hurt, do you?
This one is also on YouTube, so please go watch that too. Hey. I ache for you, but I put you last. I yearn for you, but I let the urge pass. I felt you so fast, and I know I'm gonna crash. Gosh, it's gonna be so bad. It's gonna be so bad. I've been through this tough time before. You leave me on the cliff, babe. You leave me wanting more. I let you grab my heart out my chest and smash it on the floor. Surely, I really dig your vibe. We should get together, let's converse. Let me pick your mind. I just wanna find out what inspires you, cause I admire you. The galaxies, the Milky Ways, they're right inside of you. I see light in you. Yes, you've met your match. Won't let myself get detached, but if I miss your call, you know I'm gonna hit you right back. People only get that privilege if I lay them like that. Don't really text people back, I've never been good at that. Yeah. Ooh.
live at the 30th anniversary of the International Festival of Life. I'm here with my daughter, Ifani Elswit, who just performed on stage. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. So tell me how you get started. Who inspired you to start singing?
I'll say God, because I've been singing since I was born. So.
That's that. Okay. How many videos you have? How many songs you have out now? How many CDs?
I have one album out, and then I have 4 or 5 singles outside of that.
And they're all R&B, hip hop?
Yes, they're all R&B, hip hop.
Are you trying to do any reggae?
Yes. So my song XO has a reggae influence. I have a cover of Summer Walker that's reggae influence. So I eventually do want to cross over and make like pure reggae dancehall songs as well as R&B and hip hop.
Are you working on any new songs right now?
Yes, I have a song that should be coming out at the end of July or August, and then I'll be dropping for a couple months after that too.
You have any? What's your next big project as far as performance?
Performing? Well, I'll be performing at the California Clipper this Thursday at 8:30.
Check that out. You moving up in this world.
Yeah.
You on your musical journey.
Yes.
We're live at the 30th anniversary of the African Caribbean Festival of Life in Washington Park. I'm here with Furious. Everything, Chris.
Everything, Chris. Yeah, Rasta goodness, so goodness. What? Don't pass your place, cause you know we don't play. What there, I want to say it. Washington Park. You see me, I say? What there? Just perform a while ago, mash up the whole stage. You know what I think, go? Yeah, up.
Respect every time. How you like the vibes? How you like the vibes?
Yeah. It's actually the second time I perform this festival, you know. And it always be a good vibes, you know what I mean? I love the turnout, you know, the African thing, you know. Rastafari thing also, you know. So we love the vibes. Good energy, good vibe every time, you know what I mean?
Respect.
Yeah, you know what I mean? And also I want to tell the people to follow me on social media as Furious Music. You know, I spell Furious with 2 F's, you know what I mean? I get them on all digital platforms, you know what I mean? Remember that, yeah. Rasta goodness, so goodness. That's my new song, Rasta Goodness, so you can check it out on all digital platforms also. All right? Remember that, yeah.
Chicago bonfire, take it down prophecy. You see you over here, you gonna say fire. And you see you over here, you gonna say whoa. You ready? All right, yo, fire. Whoa. Blazing fire. Yo, prophecy, stop that. Come here and leave. Right now, hold on. Chicago, we come here for burn a serious fire. Hold on, prophecy. Now, you have the king in the building. King Shango. All who love King Shango, can I see all the hands in the air, sir? Yeah, king of fire.
Respect, sir.
Yeah, man, give thanks for life. You know, it's a joy and a blessing. Yeah. Always a pleasure promoting the culture and the roots, you know. So
every time.
We have to promote the foundation because that's where everything starts, you know what I mean? Yeah. We give thanks for that great music and still we bring every nation together, you know. Music of love, the music of peace, the music of joy, the music of happiness, you know what I mean? The music of knowledge, you know what I mean? We make one get into themselves, you know, in terms of themselves and them culture, them heritage, them philosophy, them curriculum, you see me? Tell people to be steadfast, hold them head up, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Don't get deterred by the obstacles and the stumbling block in our life, because that is just a part of the struggle, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
And, you know, the truth is the truth, and the only conqueror for the truth is the truth, you know what I mean? Live by the laws of nature, you can't wrong. Everything about nature is real. Everything in life project its own energy and give off its own constellation. So only if you want to distort the mind or confuse yourself, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we have to analyze, we have to run survey, we have to do researches. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
The truth is within you. Anything where you want to find. If you want to find hell is within you. Hell is what? Hell is sorrow.
Yes, sir.
Hell is dismay. Hell is destruction. Hell is racism. You know what I mean? What is really heaven? Heaven is love, heaven is peace, heaven is joy, heaven is happiness. You know?
Like you mentioned, 5 things. Mm-hmm. Racism.
Yeah, man, yes,
signal.
Yeah.
Call them out.
Yeah, man, the waves, you know what I mean? You have to know the frequency of it up, vibration of it high, energy of it up to, you know what I say?
Yeah, man.
Telepathical communication of it up to, you know what I say? Chakras have to open, you have to think different, you know what I mean? to change the perception towards life and how you perceive certain things. Because, you know, as I say, if you not see it on the natural aspect, then it's not correct.
Yes,
As I said, the universe not tell lie. You see me?
Yes,
nothing no fear about Mother Earth. You see me? I say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, and Babylon try to destroy the earth and pollute the earth. You hear that? You see it?
But you burn up all of that.
Well, fire is for the purification and the preservation of souls. Fire for burn, you know what I mean? And this is not a literal fire. The fire comes through word, sound, and power. Come through and being and self, and now stoop to the limitation in Babylon. I accept the stripping of the royalty and say, yes, it is all good. You see me, I say?
Yes, sir.
But we have to stand up for equal rights and justice, salvation, redemption, repatriation, restoration, liberation, emancipation, self-esteem, self-awareness, self-reliance, self-thought, control, respect. You see me, I say discipline, diligence, humility, tolerance. You know?
How you like the vibes tonight? The vibes tonight.
Well,
tonight.
The vibes are always great, you know what I mean? Because it is the message, it is the energy, it is the fire, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? The people accept, you know, they love the knowledge, you know what I mean? The people interject, it was a great joy, you see what I'm saying? And, you know, the people interact. So, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So
respect.
So that's why I'm big up the promotion, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Big up Chicago, see me, big up the fans and worldwide, you see what I'm saying? So that's all strong, keep the faith, and only our spirituality can save we. You see me? And don't worry about the things that Babylon do. You know what I mean? Which is not human. You see me?
Advice for a young artist coming up.
Huh?
Advice for a young artist coming up. I got my daughter trying to come up and singing and things. What kind of advice?
Just, you know what I mean? You have to pay homage, you know what I mean, to the icons and the pioneers and who paved the way and set a deep footprints on the sands of time. You have to be focused. You have to be humble. You know what I mean? You have to inner yourself. You have to know what you want. You know what I mean? You have to know, say, it's a rocky road, you know what I mean? And it's a battlefield, and it is not easy. It is not a better road, you know what I mean? Right. Yeah, man. So you just have to be yourself, know what you want. Keep the respect and the discipline.
Yes,
you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Go for what you want, man.
Yeah, man.
Trying this road for the longest while, long time, nothing stop the silence. Trying this road for the longest while, give away more than 1/10 of this while. Trying this road for the longest while, will my luck never run out time. It's how what you have to read. Tell them I'm not bargain, tell them I'm not deal. No for them no one. That on the wheel, so them go rape, them go rob and them go kill and steal. All I try eat all rather than my steal. With a death, with a tongue, with a blind figure feel. One man was ready to open the seal. Empire Selassie, I know Israel. But in a nature plan of man, rock you road, it's so rough. Rock you road, it's so tough. Rock you road, road is so rough. Rock you road. Don't get your overboard like Henry Morgan is a violent code. No for them man shut up and corruption broad. No for them man shut big things like any God. To them promote them that we reap the rose. And we give man no mountain, we give man no hope. We give man now the road, them for big and close. He's up the turban and the engine drum. With them man see, we come to expose the righteous word. No try oppose. I say judgment that let them evil episode. Judgment they ever take from the sun. Let me say I know. Let me say I know. Push up the signal. Remember this? Them man, oh I am, and where I'm from. Oh, give me the hand. man. Most many can't get on the over so many but one. Alright, and where I'm from. Oh, give me the last of the evil one. Most many can't get on the over so many but loved ones. Don't wanna. Remember this? Life over there. Oh, life over there. Oh, life. Everybody sing over there. Ready? Oh, cold blooded murderer. Pull up. That one on here. All of the people respect and love your mother and your father. Could I see the hands in here? Without mom and dad, it wouldn't be possible. There would be no procreation. All of you respect your mother and your father. And I here. Push down the prophecy. Could I see the hands with? Could I see the hands with for mama and papa? Chicago. Washington Park. Ready for the mother. The man that's every day. Mama. Yeah, watch this now. Rastafari dealt to me. It was a pleasure being here tonight when I love you all. And I want to tell you, just keep your focus. Know what your goals are and reach out for them. Don't worry about the obstacles and the turmoils in life. That is just a part of the struggle. That is here to make you know stay out. That you have confidence, persistence, determination. You understand? Don't worry about naysayers and they won't say anything good. You know what I mean? We don't worry about them. Send it!
Do right quick, cause do this one right quick, cause I gotta go do interview.
Could I sell the lighters? Could I sell the lighters and I'll sell the phone for that one? Yeah. Chicago.
I wanna set them back on.
Astray, you will get what you work for. Find what you search for. Whoa, whoa, whoa. From my love is there. By your words you get to pay. Never go astray, you will get what you work for. Find what you search for. The one and only. Spread your wings and fly. All your head up high. Love those days and cry. Never let your will run dry. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So your wings and fly, all the end of mine. While those days and cry, never let them see them. Mama and Papa feel proud of me. Sky's the limit, myself like past the cloud of me. Ask them who govern the crowd of me. Ask them who govern the road of me. Them a take the chip, so them could not get the code of me. Babylon no really want to feel the soda. No long the whole of them a try to hold me. None couldn't hide them, couldn't hold me. God the powers of the most like over me. Them can't devour me. Alright then again. Spread your wings and fly. Hold your head up high. Wipe those tears, don't cry. Never let your well run dry. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Spread your wings and fly. Hold your head up high. Wipe those tears, don't cry. Never let It was a pleasure being here. Love you all. See you in the near future. Listen before me leave more and tell you one more thing. Ready? Red Hot Chicago. Jump, 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 jump. Fire, don't. Yeah, man, when I see me.